Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this video, we're just going to be diving deep into a hot topic that gets asked, a couple of times, and that is, the debate between MT4 and TradingView, right? Which is the better platform for Forex traders? Well, the answer is not as simple as one being better than the other. It depends on what you are looking for in a trading platform. So let's just kick things off with a quick introduction to both platforms. All right. MT4 has been the industry standard for many years. It is a powerful desktop application primarily designed for Forex trading. On the other hand, TradingView is a newer web-based platform that has quickly gained popularity for its sleek design and charting capabilities. Okay, now with respect to the user interface, first up, let's talk about user interface and ease of use. MT4 has a bit of a dated design, right? While it is functional and straightforward, it may seem a little overwhelming to beginners with its, multiple windows and options. However, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Now, TradingView, on the other hand, is much more modern. It's web-based, meaning you don't need to download anything. The layer is cleaner and it is much easier to navigate. All right, especially for those just getting started. You can access it from any device with an internet connection, making it convenient for traders who are always on the go. Now, when it comes to charting, this is where both platforms shine, but in different ways. MT4 offers a decent set of charting tools. All right, a decent set of charting tools. It is especially powerful when paired with custom scripts, right? You have custom scripts and expert advisors for automation. However, the charting capabilities are somewhat limited in terms of customization and visual appeal. On the other hand, TradingView is well known for its superior charting features. The platform offers a vast array of indicators, right? A vast array of indicators, customizable chart designs, and drawing tools, a whole lot of them, right? A whole lot of them. Okay, so you can also integrate social trading elements where you can share your charts and ideas with the community. Okay, plus TradingView's charts are highly responsive and look much more modern, which can enhance your overall trading experience. Okay. Now, let us just quickly talk about broker compatibility. MT4 is compatible with nearly every Forex broker, especially those focused on retail traders. Okay, it offers direct integration with brokers for seamless trading. And it is especially useful for those who like to automate their trades through EAs. Okay. However, TradingView works differently. It doesn't offer direct integration with as many brokers as MT4. Instead, TradingView focuses on charting and analysis, and then you can link it to your broker via third-party plugins like TradingView's integration with brokers such as Oanda or FXCM, etc. Okay, so this means you might have to set up a separate platform for execution, which can be a bit more complicated for beginners. All right. Now let's just quickly compare the performance and speed. MT4 is actually known for its fast execution speed. It's a lightweight platform that is designed for execution, making it perfect for scalpers and active traders who need quick trade execution. Then TradingView is web-based, right? And being web-based depends on your internet connection. While it performs well for charting, when it comes to actual order execution, it doesn't quite have the speed and reliability of MT4 since it requires third-party integrations. But for casual or swing traders, this can be less of an issue. All right. Now, finally, let us look at the pricing. MT4 is free to use, yeah, which is one of its biggest advantages. As long as you have a broker account, you can access it without any subscription fees. Many traders love this because it is a completely free solution. On the other hand, TradingView offers a free plan. Yeah, that's quite all right. It offers a free plan, but if you want access to premium features like multiple charts, advanced indicators, extended time frames, you need to opt for one of the paid plans. Okay, because the free plan actually has limited feature, right? And one of the limited features is actually the number of indicators you can even add at a time, right? You can see more indicators, more trading possibilities. Upgrade your plan to reveal hidden trends and trading opportunities with up to 50 indicators per chart. Right now your plan has 2 indicators as its limit, right? So one of the downsides of TradingView is that you are only restricted to 2 indicators at a time for the free plan. But on MT4, well, you can add as many indicators as you want. If you want, you can paint your background with indicators. You can just literally you can literally turn your chart into indicators, right? You can turn your charts into indicators. Just paste indicators everywhere. What I mean is that there is no limit. All right, that's just what I'm trying to say. You can see that this is just crazy, right? You can add as many indicators as you want. Well, of course, you're not going to need many indicators on your chart because it's just going to confuse you, right? But the point is that MT4 allows you to add, indicators without limits, and it is completely free. Okay, so that's just one of the advantages that MT4 has over TradingView. All right, the limits, right, for the free plan. Okay, MT4 is completely free, but TradingView has limitations to its free plan. Now, so MT4 versus TradingView, which platform is better for you? If you are a beginner or you are looking for simplicity, easy access, and superior charting, TradingView might be the right choice for you. However, if you are a more advanced trader who needs powerful execution and trading automation, MT4 could be the better option for you. All right. So in the end, the decision depends on your trading style, preferences, and what features are most important to you. If this video helped you make a decision between MT4 and TradingView, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss future Forex tips and platform comparisons. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.